What's going on, everybody? Chad with C&M Collectibles here, and we've got the January edition of the Boombox high-end football. Trying to think what the price is on this. It's around $50 a month, I think. So not too bad. Let's see what we got going on in here. We've got peanuts. And we've got a mag. It's kind of hard to get that out of the bottom. Put all the peanuts back in here. All right. January's high-end Boombox updates. Donruss Optic, Panini Prizm, Unparalleled, Phoenix. Look for these in addition. Donruss Elite and Classics. One or more 15-pack boxes this month. Obviously, we did not get that one. And inserts and autos added to random boxes, which don't think we got that either. So maybe next time. Brand new product coming in February, Boombox Platinum, featuring 2 to 3 guaranteed hits. Interesting spelling on guaranteed there. All right. So we've got Classics, Donruss, Prizm, from 15. We got a mag, which I don't use. Oh, we did get a Kerryon Johnson Year 1 relic from Rookies and Stars for the Lions. Pretty good little back, Kerryon Johnson. We got a pack of Prizm, 18. Unparalleled, 18. Phoenix, 18. And Optic from 18. All right. Well, let's go ahead and get the Classics out of the way. Actually, we'll just do it in the order upside down. There we go. Pack number 1. Jordy. Terry Bradshaw to 299, so that's probably a red back. It is. Composers. Okoronkwo, Lance Allworth, Jones Drew, Gonzo, and Tarkenton. All right. Donruss. Ajayi, Aaron Jones, Duke Johnson, Arakpo, Casey Hayward, Alex Collins, Elite Series of Ronald Jones II. Champions is here, Torrey Smith, DJ Shark, and Tremaine Edwards. And a kid reporter code if you need it. All right. 15 Prizm. Earl Thomas, Jason Witten, and kid reporter. These two are kind of wedged together a little bit. Got an autograph of P.J. Williams, Blake Bell, P.J. Williams Prizm for the Saints, rookie auto, 78 of 350. All right, 18 Prizm. Mike Evans, Devin McCourty, Pierre Garcon, Kiko Alonso, Tyrod Taylor, Bouye, Golden Tate, Devonta Freeman, Alan Hearns, and a gold die cut, Marvin Jones Jr. That's pretty cool. Numbered to 249. Ito Smith, Ryan Izzo, and a reporter card. Phoenix, or no, unparalleled. Patrick Ricard. Stephon Diggs. All right, let's do everyone upside down. Matt Hack. Jamon. Eli Manning. Numbered to 100. And Josh Sweat autograph for the Eagles. He's going to make you sweat. Dallas Goedert and Duke Dawson. All right, Phoenix. I know I'm in the minority, but this is probably my favorite product. Oh, we got a... Man, I already know what I got. I think we got a Ronald Jones II relic. Mike Evans. A.J. McCarron. Got an Eli to 149. Oh, I was wrong. Eli parallel there to 149. Dante Pettis. Jersey relic. Auto. Class of 2018. Nice card there. And Tyquan Lewis. And last pack. Optic. Donruss Optic. Jimmy G. Derrick Henry. Alvin Kamara. Not numbered, just the insert there. And James Washington, rated rookie. And kid reporter code. So not bad overall. I mean, you know, we got the Dante Pettis auto, jersey auto, Manning parallel, Sweat rookie auto, another Manning parallel, Marvin Jones Jr. die cut parallel, PJ Williams auto, and a Bradshaw parallel. 3 autos. Not too bad, man. Not too bad. Thanks for checking it out, guys. We will see you guys next time. I should have Mojo Chess coming in and Brothers and Cards coming in any day now. So I will get those up as soon as I open those up. And thanks for checking out. We'll see you guys next time. Be good to each other.